Analysis of abnormal constituent in urine. Object: to find out abnormal constituent in given urine sample. Urine is excretory product formed by kidney. Urine has definite physical properties and definite composition in definite quantities. There are 23 organic and inorganic constituents in healthy normal urine. If urine has more than 23 or other constituent, this urine is known as abnormal urine. A complete urine includes bacteriological analysis, microscopic analysis and biochemical analysis. Bacteriological analysis done by microbiologist in microbiology department to identify infecting urine sample. Microscopic analysis done by pathologist in pathology department to detect pus cells, RBCs and casts, etc. Biochemical analysis done by biochemistry department, and it is two type: qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis to detect physical properties and normal constituent in given sample. Quantitative analysis in 24 hours urine sample, creatinine, calcium, protein estimate. Sample collection of urine. Mid-stream morning sample. 24 hours urine sample. Random urine sample. Mid-stream urine sample to collect this sample to advise the patient to discard first urine sample and take 20 ml urine in clean glass or plastic container. 24 hours urine. 24 hours urine collect in 2 liter container 24 hours, and preservative are used: thymol, HCl, toluene, etc. For 24 hours urine, 10 ml concentrated hydrochloric acid is enough. Biochemistry department, biochemical analysis, qualitative biochemical analysis, we perform physical examination and chemical examination. In physical examination, we examine color, appearance, volume, odor, pH, specific gravity and deposit. Normal color is pale yellow, and it is maybe dark yellow in jaundice case, black alkaptonuria and red hematodisease. Volume. Normal volume of urine is 1 to 2 liter, 1 से 2 liter, 1 to 2 liter. Oliguria, polyuria and anuria. Polyuria if urine volume is more than 2 liter, known as polyuria. Oliguria if urine volume is less than 400 ml per day, known as oliguria. Anuria if urine sample is blocked, it is known as anuria. Appearance of urine is clear, turbid or milky white. If phosphate present in urine, appearance will be turbid, and if appearance may be milky white due to infection. Appearance will be milky white. Odor of urine may be fruity or mousy in foul odor. And pH of urine is 4.8 to 8, and mean of pH is 6.0, means pH of urine is acidic. Specific gravity of urine is weight of urine in comparison of same volume of water, known as specific gravity. Specific gravity has not any unit. Specific gravity is normal range of specific gravity is 1.010 to 1.030. Now we examine chemical examination. Heat coagulation test for protein, Benedict test for glucose, Rothras test for ketone bodies, Hayes sulfur test for bile salt, and benzidine test for blood. We examine in chemical examination heat coagulation test for protein, Benedict test for glucose, Rothras test for ketone bodies, Hayes sulfur test for bile salt, and benzidine test for blood. Now we perform all chemical test in lab. This is urine jar and has urine sample. In this urine sample, we examine all abnormal constituent. At first, we perform heat coagulation test. Heat coagulation test take 3/4 part of urine sample. 3/4 part of urine sample and heat upper part of test tube and heat upper part of this urine sample. A coagulation is formed. This coagulation may be phosphate or protein. We add 3 to 4 drop 2% acetic acid. A coagulation may be dense. Protein present in urine sample. We heat upper part of urine sample because this part is as a control. Heating protein coagulate and non-heating protein not coagulation formed. This is heat coagulation test. Now we performed Benedict test. Now we performed Benedict test. Benedict test is semi-quantitative test because in this test 5 colors appears: blue, green, yellow, orange, red and brick red. Color present in Benedict test: sugar present 1.5 to 2.0 gram %. So Benedict test is semi-quantitative test. In this test we find approximate sugar quantity in urine sample. If green color present, we write in urine report +1. Yellow color present, we write in urine report sugar +2. Orange color present in Benedict test, in urine report we write +3. Red color present in Benedict test, in urine report we write +4. Now we perform Benedict test. Take 5 ml Benedict reagent. Take 5 ml Benedict reagent. Qualitative Benedict reagent 5 ml. Add 8 drop urine sample. Heat the solution till boil or for 2 minutes. Till boil or for 2 minutes. Color may be green, yellow, orange, red or brick red. This is green color. Green sugar is present +1. Now we perform Rothras test. Rothras test for ketone bodies. Rothras test for ketone bodies. Take 3 ml urine sample. 3 ml urine sample. Saturate with ammonium sulfate. Saturate with ammonium sulfate. For this volume take 3 spatula ammonium sulfate. Mix ammonium sulfate and add 4 to 5 drop 5% sodium nitroprusside. 4 to 5% sodium nitroprusside. Mix well and add 2 ml ammonia solution by the side of test tube. Very slowly purple color ring form at the junction of two liquids. This dark. Now be dark. This is Rothras test for ketone bodies. Now we performed Hay sulfur test for bile salt. Hay sulfur test for bile salt. Take 2 test tube. In one test tube we take urine sample, and in other test tube we take water. We take water and sprinkle in both tube sulfur powder. Both tube we sprinkle sulfur powder. If sulfur powder settle down in a urine sample, bile salt present, and in control tube, in water tube, sulfur powder not settle down. This is control. Or in this urine sample, sulfur powder settle down due to decreased surface tension of urine sample. Now we repeat. This is heat coagulation test for protein. This is Benedict test for glucose. This is Rothras test for ketone bodies. This is Hay sulfur test for bile salt.
बस चलो, वीडियो देख लिया, अब इसको लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो।